Hey guys, what's up? Jason Andrews here, aka the All-American Driver, and today we have got an incredible secret that I don't think a lot of you guys know about regarding the Shelby GT350. So just yesterday, I was on the Shelby GT350 owners group, and somebody posted that there's a secret way to get the exhaust in stock form to make like insane pops and cracks. Now, I've been driving the car for, I don't know what, like 8 months, 9 months, and I have never figured this out on my own, so I figured I'd make a video about it. We're gonna go test it out, and I'll explain to you guys kind of the process on how to get the car to do that. I am curious if this works on other cars or not, so leave a comment below if you don't have a GT350 and this still works on your car. Cold start, 3, 2, you've gotta be kidding me. All right, so let's give this a try. Obviously, the exhaust is gonna be open. Again, this car is bone stock. I don't have an X pipe, I don't have anything. This car's bone stock. And so the trick is, you know, when you're decelerating, you know, around 3,500, 4,000 RPMs, every once in a while, you'll get like a nice little pop or, you know, something, but it's very rare that it happens. However, apparently Ford has put in a little Easter egg in the fuel map. So when you're decelerating, basically around that RPM, around 3,500 to 4,000 RPMs, if you just like basically apply the smallest amount of pressure to the gas, apparently it just triggers all these pops and gurgles and bangs and whatever you call it, but the cool stuff, right? I think that we all like. So I'm gonna try it first with just doing it normal, like going up to 4,000 RPMs and just coming off the gas, letting it decel, and just see if we get any of that action. And then I'm gonna try and do the trick to get the car to just make a ton of pops and things like that. So yeah, we're gonna get driving and let's give it a shot. All right, so let's take the car up to 4,000 RPMs. Just completely come off the gas. Nothing. That was in third gear. We'll try it in second gear. RPMs. I hear a little bit, right? I hear a little bit. Okay, now let's try the trick. Okay, so we'll go back into third gear. Okay, we definitely heard some of that. We definitely heard some of that. Wait until some cars make some room in front of me, right? Okay, let's give it another shot. Second gear here, 4,000 RPMs. All right, whatever it is, this definitely works. I don't know what else you need, right? just doing some testing, okay? I'm out of here. I'm out of here, okay? Sorry.
See ya.
Yeah, see ya. I mean, that's like a good 4 seconds of just noise. All I'm doing is just lightly, basically putting my foot on the gas pedal while it's decelling, and it's just making the most incredible sounds. Now, I'm kind of in a residential neighborhood, so I'm not gonna like drive it too hard, but you can already tell that this trick works. So yeah, this definitely works. This is a no-brainer. No-brainer. It's awesome. Okay, I think that's it. I have a Corsa on the way. So probably in another video or two, we are gonna see a Corsa going on the Shelby GT350. Are you kidding me? I can't believe that I've had this car for 8 months and didn't know it would do that. Just incredible. Thank you so much to the Ford GT350 owners group on Facebook. You guys hooked it up, and I will tag the person that actually said that comment down below. Anyways, Shelby GT350 sounding incredible. I hope that you guys try it out on your car. Let me know if it works on other platforms. I would be interested to know that. And again, a Corsa coming to the car very soon, so stay tuned for that. Again, Jason Andrews, the All-American Driver, and we are out.